What's up, YouTube? We're gonna do a cold start international 2020. It's only got 1,500 miles, 10 speed. Company bought it, leased it, did something, and they were like, "Oh well, we don't need it, so it just sits here. So we have to start it up every once in a while, and let it run." Hope everybody's doing alright with this whole COVID and shit going on. I know I'm getting tired of it, we haul medical waste, so we've been super fucking busy. Alright. It's been probably, I don't know, a month or so since this thing's ran. Clutch in. There we go. Got a Cummins in it. Well, y'all have a good day. If you like the videos, let me know. Like and subscribe.